Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to capture a screenshots with Excel. For this, first open Excel on your PC, then click on Insert tab, then click on Illustrations button, then click on Screenshot option. Here, you will see all the thumbnails of the active window. You can click on any to take the screenshot. For example, I will choose this one. Excel will automatically take a screenshot and insert in Excel workbook. In case you want to take the screenshot of a portion of a window, click on this one Insert tab, then click on Illustrations button. Here select a screenshot. Here click on this one Screen Clipping. Now you can select a portion of window by pressing left mouse button and dragging on the screen. When you are done, just leave your fingers from the mouse and the desired portion of that window will be automatically captured and inserted into your Excel worksheet. Like this, you can take a screenshot in your Excel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.